COSO stands for the Committee of Sponsoring Organizations of the Treadway Commission. It is a globally recognized framework that provides guidance on internal control, enterprise risk management, and fraud prevention. COSO was established in the United States in 1985 to address concerns about fraudulent financial reporting and to improve the effectiveness of internal control systems. The primary objective of COSO is to help organizations achieve their objectives by providing a structured approach to managing risks, ensuring effective internal controls, and promoting ethical behavior and integrity within the organization. The COSO framework is widely adopted by companies, auditors, and regulators as a standard for evaluating and enhancing internal control systems. The COSO framework consists of 5 interrelated components. Control environment. This component sets the tone at the top of the organization and establishes the foundation for the control system. It includes factors such as management's commitment to integrity and ethical values, the organizational structure, and the assignment of authority and responsibility. Risk assessment. This component involves identifying and assessing risks that could impact the achievement of organizational objectives. It includes evaluating internal and external factors, understanding potential threats, and determining the likelihood and impact of risks. Control activities. These are the policies, procedures, and actions implemented to mitigate risks and ensure that objectives are achieved. Control activities can include segregation of duties, authorization processes, physical controls, and IT controls. Information and communication. This component focuses on the timely and accurate communication of relevant information throughout the organization. It ensures that information flows to the right people, supports effective decision-making, and enables the organization to achieve its objectives. Monitoring activities. This component involves ongoing assessments and evaluations of the internal control system to ensure its effectiveness over time. Monitoring activities help identify weaknesses, deficiencies, or areas for improvement in the control system and enable timely corrective actions. The COSO framework provides a comprehensive approach to internal control and risk management, helping organizations establish strong control systems, prevent fraud, and enhance their overall governance processes. It is important to note that while COSO was initially developed for financial reporting purposes, it has since been expanded to cover broader aspects of organizational governance and risk management.